Hello friends, welcome to Weather Wonders. Today, we're going to learn all about different types of weather with our friends Sunny and Cloudy. Let's get started.
Hi there, I'm Sunny. On sunny days, the sky is clear and it's warm outside. What can you do on a sunny day? Let's find out.
On sunny days, you can play outside, ride your bike, have a picnic, or go swimming.
Don't forget your sunscreen and sunglasses to stay safe in my bright rays.
Hi, I'm Cloudy. Rainy days are great for helping plants grow. Let's see what you can do when it rains.
On rainy days, you can splash in puddles with rain boots. Watch the raindrops on your window. Or stay cozy inside and read a book.
Don't forget your umbrella and raincoat if you're going outside.
Whoa, look at the wind go. Windy days can be so much fun.
On windy days, you can fly a kite. Watch the leaves dance. Or feel the breeze on your face.
But hold on to your hat. The wind might try to take it.
Brr, it's a snowy day. Let's bundle up.
On snowy days, you can build a snowman, have a snowball fight, or make snow angels.
Don't forget your hat, gloves, and scarf to stay warm. Sometimes, we have stormy weather with thunder and lightning. It might sound a little loud, but storms help water here.
On stormy days, it's best to stay safe inside. You can play games, draw pictures, or watch the rain from your window.
And don't worry, storms always pass, and the sun comes back.
Wow, we've learned so much about the weather. Sunny days, rainy days, windy days, snowy days, and even stormy days all have something special.
See you next time for more Weather Wonders. Bye-bye.
Thanks for learning with us, friends. No matter the weather, there's always fun to be had.